Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. So in this video, we're going to talk about 3 things that's keeping you away from becoming a consistently profitable trader, right? So what are these 3 things that you can do for you to actually start making some consistent income from the Forex market? Number one, you need to have a strategy. I know we've talked about this several times in the past, but I can't overemphasize this enough, guys. You need to have a proven strategy that has been back tested and forward tested to show that it's actually profitable. You can't just come in the market and just swing it, wing it, and think that you can actually make money. Yeah, you can make money on 1, 2, 3 trades, right? But you won't have consistency in the market, and it's consistency that actually makes a difference, because at any given point anyone can actually make money. Anyone can place a trade and actually make money, but for you to be able to make money consistently in the market, you need to have a profitable strategy, and that you have to learn, right? Either through mentorship or on your own, you can still do that, but you need to have a profitable strategy that has been back tested and forward tested to prove that this strategy actually works. All right, so it's really important. Like, that's the first thing that you have to do immediately you come in this market. All right, once you have the strategy figured out, then you have to now focus on risk management and trading psychology. Risk management is extremely important, very important. Like, this allows you to be able to actually stay long in the game, right? So for example, whatever amount you may be, you need to be able to define how much you're willing to lose on every individual trade that you're actually putting across. You need to predefine that in advance in terms of how much am I willing to lose on this individual trade. It's not something that you can just open your account, wait for the market to open, and then just place random trades and hope that one trade is actually going to go in your direction and you're going to make money from it. So that's really tricky. So you need to be able to actually find a consistent way of actually making money through correct position sizing. So that is extremely important. And it's only after you've tackled risk management and, most importantly, this strategy, that you can now start to work on your mindset. So mindset is a game changer for everything. Once you have your strategy in place, then now you have to focus on the mindset. Guys, the mindset becomes the most important thing after you've discovered your strategy, you're good at risk management. How you handle your emotions is what's going to make you or break you as a trader. So as a trader, you need to be able to actually handle your emotions. One thing about trading is that it's going to expose you. It's going to expose you to you, right? It's going to reveal yourself to yourself. So by you learning how to handle your emotions, how to regulate your emotions when those losing the inevitable losses come, that's how it's going to that's what's going to determine basically how long you survive in this game. Because if you just trust me, just randomly come and then just wing it, you won't last very long in this industry. Trust me, this is my 4th year of trading, and trust me, I know what I'm talking about. All right, so make sure you come prepared, come with the mindset of wanting to learn, because if you come with the mindset of wanting to make it quickly, you won't last in this game. We've seen people come, we've seen people go. So remember, have the strategy figured out first, okay? And once you have the strategy figured out, back test it, forward test it, and really prove that the strategy works. Understand what your matrices are. Like, what is your win rate? What is your risk reward ratio? Because these are very important things, right? Because you cannot have a high win rate and a high risk reward ratio. That's not possible. All right, so you are going to either have a high win rate and a higher win rate and a low risk reward ratio, or the opposite, low risk reward ratio and low risk reward ratio, right, and higher win rate. So you can have it both ways. So you have to choose what you're comfortable with and stick with that. The second thing that you have to do as a trader is master risk management. So risk management, you have to know how to calculate your risk up a trade by using simply by using a position size calculator. You can do that very easily. So find out how to actually use that. Very simple. There are a lot of calculators out there. The key is to be able to know exactly how much you're willing to lose per trade and be comfortable with that. Be able to internalize that even before you take a trade. And after that, then now you can start now working on your mindset, because it becomes the most important thing, right? So it's very important that you do these things. You cannot jump. You cannot jump from all of a sudden you're talking about psychology when you don't even have a profitable strategy. That doesn't even make sense, right? So you need to actually have some sort of mechanism that you actually allows you to actually be able to take trades. You can't just be random about these things, guys. It's very important that you come with a proven strategy in the market, ensure that you are respecting your risk management, and then now you can come to the matters of the mindset, which is very important. It becomes the most important after you've actually done those things. So how do you handle your psychology? A lot of things that you can do. All right, so I prefer meditation. 10 minutes meditation on a daily basis in the morning, so that you can reset your mind. It helps so much with the mind and being able to actually be self-aware, watch those thoughts come and go, and then just act and practice self-awareness, being aware of your own thoughts and everything, being mindful, so that when those things come, you are going to be able to handle them, right? Because losses are going to come, and most of the people, like, you have to know what your triggers are. So sometimes others just maybe taking two losses in a row, others maybe 3 losses in a row. So you have to be able to actually know what triggers you. If you don't, you are always going to self-sabotage, and then you're going to go into amygdala hijack, and then realize later that you actually messed up your account. So please follow those things, guys. Really important. All right, so I'll link some of the videos down in the description if you are interested in those things right here. So I just thought I would actually come to you guys and actually talk about these things. I know I've talked about them, most of them in the past, but hey, I thought I could actually do it face to face with you guys. Alright, so you guys, I hope you found value in this video, and remember, if you'd like to actually learn from us, the first link in the description gives you access to our M&F Mastery trading course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. Alright, so you can't afford to miss that one. Check the first link in the description. Alright, until next time, goodbye.